Oh dear. No, you gotta go that way. SG07HNP. Yeah, I'm gonna send it to the police. You're gonna get prosecuted anyway. You may as well reverse now. Driving without due care and attention. It's like 3 points or 4 points and a big fine. Yeah, you can't do it, man. You see the sign here, the keep left sign, that's why. There have been a lot of crashes with cyclists coming this way and people like you hitting them going the other way. It's a bad mistake, my friend. Anyway, I hope your day goes better now. Good morning, thank you. Have a good day.